Hey there crew, Matt Vassallo here with the rhinestoneworld.com. So as many of you know, I started my business out of my house and have gone through all of the different successes and failures of beginning and growing a business. And every time I go to trade shows or I do classes or trainings, I always have our TRW crew or customers ask me, Matt, if you were starting today and you had no budget, what would be your dream kit? What would be everything that you need to get going and be able to run a very successful business? The best heat press, the best vinyl cutter, all the different materials that you would want. And that's where we've come up with this, the Match Dream Kit. So this is the largest kit we have ever sold on our website. And this is the kit that you are saying, you know what? This is exactly what I do. I have a good size budget for this and I want everything I need to make huge profit and huge margins and have enough material to not have to come back and keep reordering for a little while. So what I want to do in this video is just quickly run through everything that's included in this kit, give you an idea about how much money you can make with it, and then you can decide on the website which kit is best for you. So first thing with the kit, obviously you need a heat press. So the press that comes with Match Dream Kit is my favorite press by far, the 16x20 Hotronix Autoclam. So that by far, even better than some of the more expensive heat presses. This is the one I would choose if I had an unlimited budget. And it's not even the most expensive one. So 16x20 Hotronix Autoclam heat press. Then you need your vinyl cutter. So these two, you hear me talk about them all the time, the Roland GS24 and the Graphtec CE 6060 Plus. I always tell you, flip a coin, you can't go wrong with either of these. If I were starting today, honestly, it would be whichever one has the best deal. They both come with the stands, they both have the servo motors, they're both very quiet, they're both very quick, and they both have long warranties on it. So you get your choice in Match Dream Kit as far as which vinyl cutter you want. It doesn't change the price at all. You can either choose the Roland or the Graphtec. Now, when we get into materials, okay, first thing, before we get to the actual materials, you need a software to be able to create these amazing designs and have designs to be able to create. So you will receive our software, the TRW Design Wizard 4.0, with this kit. Now, many of you may already have CorelDRAW, so CorelDRAW would be an add-on to this kit because some of you that already own CorelDRAW won't need another version of it. So the TRW Design Wizard 4.0 is the software that you will get with this kit, and then you'll also get 12 artwork packs. So when it comes to artwork packs, you're going to see these over here. We have right now at this time, which by the time you watch this video, we'll probably have even more. You get to hand pick which 12 artwork packs you think work best for your business. So if you do monogramming or you do sports or you do whatever your business is structured around, you can hand pick which 12 of our 38 volumes of artwork you want in your kit, which is pretty amazing for you to be able to select that. Next thing we have is for the calculations and figuring out your price for everything. We know you're new to the business. You just got your heat press. You just got your vinyl cutter. You need help pricing your product. So you're going to get all three of our pricing calculators, our heat transfer vinyl, our rhinestone decal, and our vinyl decal pricing calculators, all included with the kit. So the next thing is your rhinestones. So with this kit, you're going to get a ton of rhinestones. So a 2,000 gross of rhinestones. That may not mean a lot to you right now. There's 144 gross of stones, or 144 stones in a gross. So a 2,000 gross of rhinestones, just to give you an idea here, with a 700 stone design, which is a pretty big design, a 2,000 gross of stones, you'll be able to make 411 shirts. That's a lot of shirts. Now, if you do a multi-deck design where maybe you don't have as many stones, maybe it has 150 stones in the design, you're going to be able to make close to 2,000 shirts, all right? So a crazy amount of, and that's the whole point of this Match Dream Kit, is to get what you need for a long time so you can make a bunch of money. So let's take into account that 700 stone design. At average $30 a shirt, you're going to be able to make 411 of those shirts. So that's at $30 going to make you about $12,330 in sales. That right there basically came close to doubling your kit price just in rhinestones. All right, so next thing we have, you're going to get 2 rolls of our Magic Flock template material. This is what you use to cut your rhinestone templates. You're going to get 328 feet of your rhinestone hot fix tape. That's what you use to pull the stones off of the template material. Next thing is 30 feet of our Bling Anything material. That's the material right over here. What that's going to do is allow you to make all of your rhinestone car decals. So if you want to put rhinestones on something like you see back here, or on a TV, or any type of smooth flat surface, that's how you make rhinestone stickers. All right, so you can get 30 feet of that. Next thing you're going to get is a rhinestone color chart that you'll see over there to show all of your customers the colors of stones that they're getting. And then we come to our heat transfer vinyl. You're going to see our different rolls of heat transfer vinyl here. So with the heat transfer vinyl, you're going to get 115 feet of heat transfer vinyl. So let's run some numbers on that part. 115 feet of heat transfer vinyl, a 5-inch by 9.5-inch single color design, okay? That's going to make you about 492 shirts. Again, a boatload of shirts. Even if you sold those shirts very inexpensive, let's just say 17 bucks a shirt because it's a single color shirt, very easy to make, that's going to generate around $8,364 in sales. Again, more than the entire kit right there in sales just on your heat transfer vinyl side of it. Next thing we come to is our Easy Weed adhesive and foil. So this is the Easy Weed adhesive right here. That's the initial adhesive that goes down to make a foil design. And then you're going to get 250 feet of our foil. So with that, just based on your 100 feet of your Easy Weed adhesive, a 4-inch by 8-inch design, so a decent sized design of a foil design, you're going to be able to make about 450 foil shirts, all right? Average at about 20 bucks a piece. It's a different type of material, a little bit shinier. You can charge a little bit more for it. You're going to have about $9,000 in sales for your foil designs. All right, next thing we have here. My favorite by far and how I started my business as the decal world is your FDC sign vinyl. This is where you make your vinyl car decals and storefront window decals. So with that, you're going to get 400 feet of our FDC sign vinyl. You can get your black, your white, and some glitters, and then you're going to get 600 feet of the application tape. And this is where the numbers get pretty crazy, because by far, these are your largest margins in this industry. So listen to these numbers, because they're not fake, all right? So for your sign vinyl, you got a 5-inch by 5-inch car decal. So with the amount of vinyl that you're getting, you're going to be able to make 2,304 5-inch by 5-inch car decals. $10 a piece, numbers are pretty easy. $23,040 in sales just right here, just in your sign vinyl, okay? So all of that adding up, it's a ridiculous return on investment with this type of kit right here, okay? So after your sign vinyl, you have your essential tool pack. It's going to come with all of your brushes, all of your pick tools, and your scoops, and everything that you need for your rhinestones, your sign vinyl, and your heat transfer vinyl. You're going to get 2 bottles of our TRW Magic Vinyl Remover. We all make mistakes. You make a mistake on the shirt, spell something wrong, put the vinyl remover on it. You can remove that letter, repress it, remove the word, repress it. You don't ruin that shirt. These right here are going to pay for themselves in one fix, okay? Next thing, 2 of our protective cover sheets. That's going to protect your heat press. And then one of my favorite, our Bling Book pages. You're going to get 15 black and 10 gray of our Bling Book pages. Any of you that have ever seen us at a show or event, that's where we display all of our designs in a nice book that you can spread out, because customers don't want to see images of all these amazing products. They want to see and touch and feel that glitter and those rhinestones to see how amazing they look, and that's what's going to sell them on it. So you put it right here on the pages, get some little rings, make a binder out of it, and now you can show all of your amazing designs. So let's get to pricing on this kit, all right? I mean, we were up over $30,000, $40,000 as far as sales already, $23,000 just in our sign vinyl. So the retail price, if you were to purchase all of these products that I just covered on our website right now individually at the basic retail price, you would be at $14,247.46, okay? So over $14,000 individually for this entire kit. So again, with kits on our website, they all vary. You're always going to have savings when you buy a kit, but obviously the larger the kit, the more savings you're going to get, just like anything. Well, when you get my dream kit and you get everything, all of the best of everything, that's where you're going to have huge savings. Like, you save more than you spend, which is pretty crazy. So you can find the kit on the website at therhinestoneworld.com. If you do have any questions regarding this kit, feel free to give us a call. Number's 941-755-1696. And we're going to provide a link right below this video that will bring you right to this kit on the website as well. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for being part of the TRW crew. And if you have any questions, we look forward to speaking with you soon. Later.